Evening, ladies and gents. Riverside pub, and we're going to be getting some pretty nice evening views. You'll have to excuse the traffic noise, but that is what it is. This is part of the old Docklands, the Canary Wharf and whatnot. Right, I'm going to point you down at the floor because I want to keep this view. Or these two views is something to go, oh wow, that's nice. We're on the Blue Bridge, by the way. This is the swing bridge, like the Canary Bridge. There, my pretties. How's that for a view, eh? That's not bad, is it? Greenwich Peninsula. I've been over that one a few times on the cable cars.